This is going to be an unboxing of the AirPods Pro. So it conveniently comes with a pull tab on the top right side of the box. So you pull it and all this plastic just unfolds, and off comes the barcode as well. And you can peel off this plastic. This is like a smooth, silky plastic. This is also like kind of like the matte paper. It's like a matte frosted paper. So here's the box. This is AirPods Pro in silver. A picture of it on the back, Apple logo. And this is actually a little bit of a raised indent on it. So you take off. So here's the top of the box. A little info on the bottom. As of most Apple products, you get the booklet, this little pocket here for all the papers. Here's instructions on AirPods Pro, 3 paperworks, and under it is the AirPods Pro in this matte paper, and this resembles the home bar on any of the new iPhones or iPad Pros. So you peel that off. And here are the AirPods Pro case. That's what they look like. See, it's flashing already. Put that to the side here. We have this lift flap. This is more of paper material. Hard, kind of bends like that. This is the ear tips. So as you know, there are 3 different sizes of ear tips. Okay, so you open it. So we got small and large. Medium is already fitted, probably going to be using medium. And this is one of the most interesting things. This is a USB-C to Lightning cable. This is particularly useful because Apple is transitioning to a USB-C environment with all of their products. So normally you get in any iPhone box, you get a Lightning to USB-A adapter, but this is a USB-C to Lightning. And right here is a 87 watt MacBook Pro charger for the MacBook Pro Touch Bar, which is all USB-C. And with this, it's not very long. I'd say about 1 meter, maybe less. You can take out that USB-C to USB-C, plug in this USB-C. That's an 87 watt fast charger right there. So very useful to charge, for example, you got an iPad Pro 11-inch I have, or my 11 Pro Max, just charge it up very, very fast. And the 11 Pro Max does come with an 18 watt fast charger, but 87 watt is much, much faster. I do have old AirPods to compare. So these are AirPods Gen 1. These are the AirPods Pro. So if the Gen 1 was just like put in a horizontal orientation, they are more similar. Here are the backs. That just about concludes the unboxing. I may have a separate review coming soon, but that will be about it for today.
Rocco did it again.
Oh, this bitch recording. It's crazy. Blood, baby, this the blood. I don't use my hands, I let the blood tongue. Two these and max and make you blood. I can make any nigga hit the trip. I'ma let my hip tuck. Put a 40 with a dick, you gotta clip, y'all. Please, ooh, 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 ooh.